How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a couple of proxy sites that you can visit to bypass your school's security measures. So this way, you're able to access restricted sites or whatnot. And I should mention that the links shown in this video are all up to date, making them the best and most viable way for accessing restricted sites on your school Chromebook. So without further ado, let's begin. So the link that you guys want to go to is this one right here, and I'll be sure to provide one in the description. So it's sites.google.com slash view wolf unblock slash unblocker archive. And what this will do is it'll generate a list of the best proxy sites that can bypass your school's internet security. So this way you're able to access YouTube or maybe Discord or whatnot, and it's pretty straightforward. Now, obviously, there are a couple of ways to actually unblock sites too, like going through your networking settings, like so. So you could either use a VPN. Now that's the easy way, but not the most practical way, assuming Chromebooks don't even have VPNs. So this is one way. You can use a proxy server, and to do so, you would want to open your internet settings. So basically, follow this path here: settings, network, proxy, and make sure this is enabled. And from here, you want to select manual once you've brought up the LAN settings, and you can manually enter a proxy with a port, and this would give you guys access to those blocked or restricted sites. So yeah, that's how you guys do it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily, so if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.